Alright, since you click on the video, I'm assuming you want to learn how to refill your empty Thermocell cartridge. Very simple. I'm going to show you in a few steps what tools you're going to need. You're going to need the plier, the fuel can, and some adapter that goes over your valve stem, which you're already feeling, and a little screw that you see right here. And everything will be done hopefully in real time except the actual refilling, which requires you putting this in the refrigerator for like, actually in the freezer for like 15 minutes. And what that does is it allows much more easier refill. So alright, let's get into it. Grab your pliers and make sure not to pinch this little black O-ring here. Just gonna pull that off. I'm capturing this on film because I have a habit of thinking I'm capturing. Turns out, no, I wasn't. Apply some pressure and valve stem is off. And now, as you can see, you have this little plastic thing in there. That's exactly what is preventing you from being able to just refill directly, right? So what you're gonna do now is find your screw and just stick it inside to the engage, and now just keep turning and turning. Now let me go for my screwdriver. This, oh, right there, it's my multi-tool. Keep turning to the engage, and you can feel it when it's already engaged, right? So I could tell it's engaged right there, as you can see. And now yank it off. Oh. Alright, so we got, hopefully I got that on camera. So we got the little stubborn valve stem blocker. It's off. And now what you're left with is a free hole. The original brass valve stem that you took off is gonna go back into, right? Yes. And some people can use a rubber mallet, or maybe you can just turn it upside down. And then just applying pressure. Oh, so we're back to where we were, except without the little silver blocker, right? So now I'm just gonna stick this inside the freezer for like 15 minutes and come back to refill. Alright, so 15 minutes is up and your cartridge is cool to the touch and ready for refill. So now you just want to grab your cigarette lighter refill adapter and find the one that fits properly, like so. This should fit, but I believe you're gonna have an issue with the actual refill can. So that's why I got another adapter, also made from brass. This fits properly on both ends of the cartridge, soon to be refilled, and the refill can, and it makes that kind of connection. Alright, so you want to grab your markers. And I remember from when I bought this brand new, it was filled up onto this point. And the reason why we mark that is so that you don't accidentally overfill. So you want to put your adapter with the right connection in, go to town. It's going to be refilling slowly. Actually, I'm wasting a whole bunch of gas right now. Alright, I'm moving outside now because I don't want to be doing that in a poorly ventilated area. And now there might come a time where it doesn't want to let in more gas. All you have to do is just tap on the valve a little bit and continue filling. And yes, I know it might seem as if you're going through a whole lot of gas, but at the end of the day, it's like a box or something. It's supposed to $9 if you were to buy this from Thermocell. So it still pays off at the end of the day. Yeah, it's a messy job, but we got the job done. It's the most important. As you can see, that was messy, but I probably would have done a better job if I wasn't filming. But we got it done. Now it's just time for us to install the cartridge into the Thermocell. put some new pads on and see if all the hard work paid off. Voila. And when it's working, you can see the red light there. Let me turn off the light on the camera. And there should be some light glowing right there. I don't know if we can make it through the camera. Well, there's some, oh, there you go. All right, so there you have it. Guys, please don't be a fool like myself performing this little project without protective gloves on. Please, please, please don't do that. Do like I say, never as I do. Now the mosquitoes can go somewhere else. Anyway, catch you in the next one. See ya.